I'm Angie Andrea, and I'm the perfumer behind Vetiver Aromatics. On this page, you'll find an assortment of formulas that you can use to get started on your perfume making adventure. If you're a beginner, then you can look at the most basic formulas that are simple and easy to follow. And as you advance, our formulas will advance with you, so that you can try increasingly complicated formulas, sometimes using ingredients that aren't available on our website. However, when this is the case, we will point you in the direction of reputable suppliers where you can get the ingredients that you need. Before you get started, I'd like to give you 3 tips for making a really great perfume. Step 1, always use your fragrance blotter strips to test out the fragrance before mixing it together. This will keep you from wasting valuable fragrances in mixes that aren't going to work out. You can know in advance because you can put a little bit of fragrance on each strip and waft them together under your nose. Tip number 2. 1 dropper or pipette per fragrance. The last thing you want to do is use your pipette to get some fragrance out of 1 vial, put it into your perfume mix, and then use that same pipette to get fragrance out of a second vial. This will contaminate your fragrances. So, 1 pipette or dropper per fragrance. That's why in our perfume making kits, we give you as many droppers as you get fragrances, so that you can keep them separate. Tip number 3, document everything. We do provide these fragrance formula cards so that you can keep track of not just the ingredients, but the number of drops and what note your fragrance is. If you don't use these cards, invest in a notebook, just so that you can keep track of your experiments. Number your fragrances, document what's in them, when you made them, and you will have an organized and neat fragrance experience that you can replicate later.